Good evening, Esther. Good evening, Iteoluwakishi, and good evening, Oluwajomilojo. Here is your teacher, Mrs. Ashorobi. I will be taking you on biology. On this journey, you are to know all that biology entails. When you were in junior secondary school, you were taught about basic science, which you had little knowledge of living things and non-living things. But in biology, it is basically the study of life. So how do you go through this journey? You need to be guided, you need to be taught. So now, biology, from the scheme of work, we have a syllabus that will guide you from introduction to biology, week 1. Biology, introduction to biology, which is week 1. Week 2 is living things. And week 3 is living things continue, which involve plants and animal. Week 4 is cell and its environment, which we are going to study osmosis, diffusion, turgidity, flaccidity, crenation, and etc. But from the start, we have to study introduction to biology. So what is biology? Biology is coined from two Greek words, which are bio and logos. Bio means life and logo means study. So when we want to join this together to define, we can simply mean biology is the study of life. Now we have branches of biology. There are two major branches in biology. What did I say, Esther? There are what? Two major branches in biology, which are what? Zoology and botany. What is zoology? Zoology is the study of animal. And what is botany? Botany is the study of plants. There are other study under these branches of biology, which involves morphology, genetics, ecology, physiology, anatomy. Now, what is science? Science is defined as a systematic process of making inquiry about living and non-living things in our environment. We are so curious as human beings to know and to relate with the things around us. So under the study of to know the things around us, it is called what? Science. So what is the usefulness of science? Why do we study science? Why are we interested in science? The reasons for studying science: number 1 is medicine, number 2 is manufacturing industry, number 3 is construction, number 4 is technology, so on and so forth. Now, under introduction to biology, we have another subtopic, which is classification of living things. Classification of living things. Living things are classified under some names, which is streamlined or given us as Mr. Niger DEC, or we can call it Mr. Niger DAC. What is the full meaning of Mr. Niger DAC? I'm sure you have been used to this from your junior secondary school, your basic science. But I need to still remind you to take back your memory back to the full meaning of the characteristics of living things. Mr. Niger DEC means number 1, movement, number 2, respiration, number 3, nutrition, number 4, irritability, number 5, growth, number 6, expression, number 7, reproduction, number 8, death, number 9, adaptation, and number C is what? Competition.